Hi there. In this quiz you have 12 questions all about phrasal verbs with the word turn. Each question has a sentence with one word missing. You have to choose which word is missing from the list. You've got about 5 to 6 seconds to do this before you hear a bell, and then I'll give you the correct answer. If you repeat after me, this will help you remember the phrasal verb and improve your pronunciation. After each question, you will be given a brief explanation of the meaning of the phrasal verb. If you need more time, don't forget to press the pause button. Okay, let's go with number 1. Can you turn off the radio if you're not listening to it? Number 2. When the princess kissed the frog, it turned into a handsome prince. Number 3. If you can't hear, turn the volume up. Number 4. In spite of the rain, a lot of people turned out to vote in the election. Number 5. She turned down the job because of the low pay. Number 6. Despite the gloomy weather forecast, it turned out to be a really nice day. Number 7. They turned him out of the club because he was drunk. Number 8. The president was popular, but now many people have turned against him. Number 9. The ring I lost turned up a couple of weeks later while I was vacuuming. Number 10. The event was so popular that they had to turn a lot of people away. Number 11. The refugees are desperate for help, but have no one to turn to. And finally, number 12. The killer turned himself in straight after the murder.